So we have this vehicle in here for the first time, and the first thing we see is some kind of tie down, and it's hooked to the battery and to the neck of the radiator. And we say, that ain't right, because the weight of this battery can break the neck of that. That's just plastic. So why do they have that? Well, somebody didn't drill that bolt out down there and replace that. Right here is where the rubber stoppers go that keep your hood from rattling, and they're actually both missing. And I pulled the air filter, and underneath it was a nest, and so I vacuumed that out. But if we look right there, that's the throttle body. That's what reads the amount of air going into your vehicle, and it's got all kinds of trash in there. So we're gonna vacuum that out. Again, that ain't right.